What's the meaning of chassé? Chassé. Chassé.
Chassé. Chassé. Chassé is a term used in dance, referring to a step where one foot literally chases the other foot out of its position, resulting in a quick gliding or sliding motion across the floor. The movement involves a smooth and controlled transfer of weight from one foot to the other, with the chasing foot ending up next to or behind the stationary foot. The chassé step is commonly used in many different dance styles, including ballet, jazz, and ballroom dance, and can be incorporated into choreography to add variety and fluidity to a routine.